Hey everyone, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys. I am your go-to girl for all things travel, packing, luggage, whatever it is to help you travel often and pack well like I do. As you guys know, on this channel I review a lot of items, especially luggage, that's going to make your trip even better. Sometimes the items are cheap and sometimes they're a little bit more expensive, and today it is going to be a little bit more of an expensive item, and I know I say this about a lot of things, but it will be something that can last a lifetime. It's also going to be the first time that I review a fully aluminum piece of luggage, and I was so thrilled to get it in the mail, and I kind of squealed when I opened it because it is so cute and so pretty, and I personally feel so fancy just owning it. So I would like to introduce you to the Level 8 full aluminum luggage. Look how beautiful it is. Oh, it's actually really cold. But this is another one of those pieces that are zipperless, and you open the luggage by using these. So we will get into all the features in just a minute. I have reviewed 2 other pieces of Level 8 luggage on this channel before. I will link them down below if you guys want to watch it, and I'll go ahead and put them right up here. And this is basically like the older, more sophisticated version of those. Those are absolute great bags too, the glitter carry-on and the textured luggage, but this one is the full aluminum luggage, and it's just like distinguished and polished and just like very fancy, you know. Now, I don't think I've ever explained this, and I could probably do a whole video if you guys want me to go more into depth with this, but aluminum is the ultimate material to make luggage out of because it will not crack or break. The only thing aluminum luggage can do is dent. It cannot crack. So if you're really looking for luggage to have for your entire life or pass it down generation to generation, this is the luggage that can do that. Fully aluminum luggage. Pros and cons, I mean, the only con is that it is a little bit heavier. This luggage does weigh in at 10 pounds. And of course, aluminum luggage is going to be a little bit more expensive. Most companies have them around $600. Some companies go up to $1,600. But this one is just a couple dollars over $400. This is probably going to be your cheapest bet if you want full aluminum. I have a 10% off code with Level 8, so even though this is $400, you could get 10% off. Every little bit helps, right? Now, this does come in silver, which is this, and it does come in gray, which is right up here. I haven't seen the gray in person. It does look cool, but to me, aluminum luggage and silver is, it's just kind of classic, you know? Now, this is Level 8's #1 selling luggage, if you can believe it. And this guy has won awards too for the design, which I think is just really, really cool. It is made out of aerospace grade aluminum magnesium alloy. I totally just sounded very smart right there. This is the luggage I want to bring with me when I fly first class one day, which might not ever happen. You can see there's also protection in the corners like a lot of aluminum luggage and a lot of other pieces of luggage have. When we spin it to the side, we can see that it is zipperless, but it has a TSA lock here and a TSA lock here. These are how you open the suitcase, and you can do a different combination for each one so that it has maximum protection. There is also a handle on the side and the top, and what's really cool about the handles on this luggage is that they are a slow release. So if you're gonna let it go, it goes down slowly like that. Of course, we also have the handle here with various height settings, and these are made out of aluminum too, and this is a rubber material, so it's going to feel nice on your hand, and the button is on top. And the wheels, you guys, if these wheels are anywhere near as good as the wheels on my other Level 8 bag, then we are good to go, because the wheels on Level 8 suitcases are like nothing I've ever experienced before. I took my level 8 textured carry-on with me when I was in Belgium and did nothing but horrible old cobblestone the whole time. The textured luggage was such a trooper. They were magnificent. So now, like I said, you're going to open them with these right here. I don't have the TSA code set yet, so it's just at 0, but you're going to press these buttons and then you can go ahead and open it like so. And oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like when I'm opening this that I am opening, you know, like a briefcase full of money or something, but I'm not. But it is full of goodies, and I will get into that in just a second. Now, I'm really excited for the inside of this one because the other level 8 bags have a zippered compartment here and a zippered compartment here, which as long as both sides are covered, you guys know that I'm happy because I hate those like X compression straps. But this one actually has compression on this side and compression on this side, and I think that that is really cool, and I can't wait to pack it one day for you. All right, so in this little mesh compartment here that is removable, we have a little luggage tag with the level 8 logo, and it's just kind of a nice little taupe color. Doesn't really go with silver, but that's okay. Now on the other side, and I'm so excited for this, it comes with level 8 packing cubes, and I'm so excited to try them out. I haven't tried them out yet. Every piece of aluminum luggage does come with packing cubes. So this one is a size that fits in the entire one side going vertical, but then we're going to open it up and you have this medium one, which is about the size that I normally put my clothes in, and then you have 2 smaller ones. So maybe I can do a full review of the level 8 packing cubes one day. We're not going to get into it further in this video, but if you want to see that, comment down below and let me know. So like I said, there's compression on both sides. So you're going to have these little pieces that attach with the little metal clips. And the cool thing is, if you're not a fan of compression for whatever reason, there are these snaps and it's removable. I don't mind if luggage doesn't expand as long as there are compression areas. So this compression one is just mesh and see-through completely. There's no pocket. And this one is closed but does have a mesh pocket. Now let's measure the depth of it because I know you guys always like to see that. This one is 4 inches on this side and 4 inches on this side. I do want to eventually travel with this bag, but as of right now, we don't have any more travel plans that I can add suitcases to. I have so many suitcases and not enough places to go. But I do plan on letting my good friend actually borrow this luggage when she goes on her luxury vacation to Tahiti next month, and then she will bring it back to me and I can kind of see how it traveled and how it handled. I think that this bag's first ever trip does belong somewhere luxurious, so a 5-star resort in French Polynesia is exactly where she is going to go on her first trip, but I'm not taking her there. Now let's go ahead and measure this bag. It is just short of 21.5 inches. It is 14 inches wide just with the body, but if you add the handles, then it gets to be closer to 14.5. And then the depth is about 8.5. So this is going to be perfect carry-on size for all of the different airlines that you could possibly fly, just like the other bags from level 8 that I have previously featured. I flew budget airlines when I went to Europe in November, and level 8 fit in every single one of the sizers that I could find in the airport. So this aluminum luggage is exactly the same size and you will be good to go. So what do you guys think? Isn't this just so beautiful? I Would love to get a little bit more aluminum luggage to be able to compare and contrast other brands with you. But as of right now, I am extremely pleased with this. I think it is so sleek, beautiful, sophisticated, but I can't wait to see how it travels to Tahiti and back with my friend. And I will definitely update you guys when I can. Comment down below and let me know what you think of aluminum luggage. If you guys are interested in buying this beautiful piece of luggage, remember that we have a discount code, the Kellys 10 for 10% off. And of course, be sure that you're subscribed to this channel and that you're following us on Instagram so that you can get all of the updates for everything to help you travel often and pack well. I will see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.